Are you ready to embark on a journey toward a rewarding career as a cybersecurity analyst? In a world increasingly reliant on technology, the threat of cyber attacks looms larger than ever, making this role not just vital but also transformative. The first step on this path is to cultivate a foundational understanding of computers and networking. Envision yourself exploring the intricate web of interactions that allows devices to communicate. Familiarize yourself with how data flows across networks, setting the stage for a career dedicated to securing this vital information. After establishing a solid groundwork in technology, your next move involves pursuing relevant education and certifications. Picture yourself in a classroom or online course, eagerly absorbing the principles of cybersecurity, information technology, or computer science. Even if formal education isn't your path, the world of certifications offers a treasure trove of opportunities. Validating your skills with credentials like the CompTIA Security Plus, Google Cybersecurity Certificate, or certified ethical hacker positions you favorably in a competitive job market. Hands-on experience is a crucial element of your journey. Visualize creating your own home lab, crafting an environment where you can experiment and learn. Engage with cybersecurity training platforms, honing your skills in vulnerability detection and threat analysis. Employers seek candidates who bring practical experience to the table, demonstrating real-world problem-solving abilities that cannot be acquired solely through theoretical learning. This hands-on approach will set you apart in the eyes of potential employers, signaling your readiness to apply your knowledge in real-time situations. Once you have developed the necessary skills, take the leap into entry-level positions like IT support technician or SOC analyst. These roles open the door to real-world experiences that pave the way to advanced cybersecurity opportunities. Not only do these positions offer a pathway to career advancement, but they also promise impressive financial rewards. As a cybersecurity analyst, you can begin earning a salary ranging from $60,000 to $90,000, with potential for six-figure earnings as you progress in your career. The demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals spans various industries and shows no signs of waning. Envision yourself as a critical component in safeguarding sectors such as healthcare, finance, and technology. Armed with a passion for technology and problem-solving, you're uniquely positioned to thrive in this dynamic and evolving field. Now is the opportune moment to step forward and pursue your aspirations. Through diligence and dedication, the exciting world of cybersecurity awaits, and your future as a cybersecurity analyst in America is bright.